Hey everyone, Rachel Ray here. Let's get real for a minute. How many of you toss and turn at night counting sheep that just won't cooperate? You know the feeling. Your mind is racing. You're thinking about your to-do list, what you said at that meeting. It can be so frustrating. A good night's sleep is not just a luxury, you guys. It's a total necessity. It's like charging your phone overnight. You wouldn't start your day with a 10% battery, right? So why do we do that to our own bodies? Getting enough quality rest helps us feel energized, happy, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at us. It's the foundation for everything else. Think about it. Sleep is when our bodies do all their important repair work. It's like a little construction crew comes in while we're dreaming. It helps our brains sort through memories, our muscles recover, and our immune systems get stronger. When we don't get enough sleep, everything feels harder. That easy recipe suddenly seems complicated, and we can get a little, grumpy. We've all been there. That's why creating a little routine before bed, a special ritual just for you, can be a total game changer. It's a signal to your brain and body that it's time to power down. So what if I told you there was a simple, delicious, and totally yummo way to help you wind down? Something that feels like a special treat but is actually working to help you relax? Ready to hear about my new favorite bedtime secret? Let's do this! All right, let's talk about the star of the show. It's called the Sleepy Girl Mocktail, and it has been taking the wellness world by storm. You might have seen it all over social media, with people showing off their ruby red drinks in fancy glasses before bed. But this isn't just another pretty trend, you guys. This drink has some real deal ingredients that people have been using for ages to help them relax and get better sleep. It became a viral sensation because it's so simple, it tastes amazing, and people started sharing their incredible stories about how much it helped them. It's a mocktail, which means no alcohol, so it's all about pure, simple relaxation. The beauty of the Sleepy Girl Mocktail is its simplicity. In our busy lives, we don't need another complicated thing to do, right? This drink is the opposite of that. It's easy to make, uses just a few ingredients, and feels like a luxurious treat. The trend really took off when people started looking for natural ways to improve their sleep without turning to medication. It resonated with so many because it felt wholesome and accessible. It's not about a quick fix, it's about building a healthy habit and a soothing routine. It's wellness that feels good and tastes even better. So what is this magic potion? It's a beautiful, fizzy, and flavorful drink that combines the natural properties of a few key ingredients known for their calming effects. Think of it as a cozy blanket in a glass. The name itself is just so cute, isn't it? Sleepy Girl Mocktail. It sounds gentle and inviting, which is exactly what you want before you hit the hay. The 3 key players. Okay, so you're probably wondering, Rachel, what's in this thing? I'm so glad you asked. The magic of the Sleepy Girl Mocktail comes from 3 super simple but powerful ingredients. You can find these at almost any grocery store. No fancy, hard-to-find stuff here. First up, we have pure tart cherry juice. This is the base of our drink and gives it that gorgeous, deep red color. It's not just for looks. This stuff is packed with goodies that we'll talk more about later. Make sure you get the 100% pure, unsweetened kind. Our second key player is magnesium powder. Now, this might be the one ingredient you have to look for in the vitamin or supplement aisle, but it's worth it. Magnesium is a mineral that is like a superhero for relaxation. It helps to calm your nervous system and relax your muscles. Think of it as the chill-out mineral. There are different kinds of magnesium, but for this drink, magnesium glycinate is a fantastic choice because it's known for being gentle on the stomach. It usually comes as a powder that dissolves easily in your drink. And for our third and final ingredient, we need a little fizz. This is what turns it from just juice into a fun, celebratory mocktail. You can use any kind of plain sparkling water, seltzer, or even a prebiotic soda like Olipop or Poppy for some extra gut health benefits. The bubbles make it feel more special, like you're having a fancy drink. It adds a lovely texture and lightness to the mocktail, cutting through the tartness of the cherry juice. It's the finishing touch that makes you want to sip and savor it. So that's it, tart cherry juice, magnesium powder, and sparkling water. See, I told you it was simple. Each of these ingredients has a specific job to do, and they work together beautifully. Together, they create a powerhouse mocktail that's designed to help you unwind and drift off to sleep more easily. Let's dive a little deeper into our star ingredient, tart cherry juice. This isn't your average sweet cherry juice that you might find in the kids' juice box aisle. We're talking about juice from Montmorency cherries, which are, as the name suggests, quite tart. But that tartness is a sign of all the amazing things happening inside. Tart cherries are a fantastic natural source of melatonin. You've probably heard of melatonin. It's often called the sleep hormone. Our bodies produce it naturally to regulate our sleep-wake cycles, signaling to our brain that it's time to get sleepy when it gets dark outside. By drinking tart cherry juice, you're giving your body a little boost of this natural melatonin. It's a gentle nudge in the right direction, helping to support the sleep cycle that your body already wants to follow. It's not like a sleeping pill that knocks you out. It's more like a whisper to your system that bedtime is approaching. Studies have shown that people who drink tart cherry juice may experience longer sleep times and better sleep quality. It's a food-first approach to getting better rest, which is something I can always get behind. Using the power of nature to help our bodies do what they do best is just so smart. But wait, there's more. Tart cherries are also loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds. Think of these as your body's little cleanup crew. Throughout the day, we build up stress and inflammation from, well, just living. Exercise, stress, certain foods. The powerful compounds in tart cherries, like anthocyanins, which give them their red color, help to fight this inflammation. This can be especially helpful for muscle recovery. When you're shopping, make sure you look for 100% tart cherry juice or tart cherry juice concentrate. You want to avoid the ones with a lot of added sugar or mixed with other juices like apple or grape. We want the pure, unadulterated good stuff. The flavor is intense, but that's what the sparkling water is for. So embrace the tartness. It's your friend on the journey to better sleep. Now let's talk about our second secret weapon, magnesium. This one is a real game changer. Magnesium is an essential mineral. Our bodies need it, but can't make it. We have to get it from food or supplements. A lot of us aren't getting enough of it. Magnesium is involved in over 300, yes, 300 biochemical reactions. It helps with energy production, muscle function, nerve signaling. One of its biggest jobs? Helping us relax. It's nature's chill pill. How does it work its magic? Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers. It calms the nervous system when it goes into overdrive. Think of your nervous system like a car engine. Sometimes it's revving too high when you're trying to park for the night. Magnesium brings that engine down to a quiet idle. It binds to and stimulates GABA receptors in the brain. GABA calms the brain, so more magnesium equals more calm. Magnesium also works on your body. It's a natural muscle relaxant. Muscle cramps, tightness in your neck and shoulders after a long day at the computer, restless leg feeling at night. Magnesium can help. It blocks calcium from entering muscle cells, preventing contraction. That lets muscles relax and release tension. When choosing a supplement, you'll see citrate, oxide, glycinate. For our sleepy mocktail, glycinate is often best. Magnesium bound to glycine, an amino acid with calming properties. Highly absorbable and gentle on the stomach. Always start with the packaged dose and check with your doctor. This little scoop of powder can make a world of difference in your wind-down routine. Let's get mixing! Your step-by-step guide. All right, are you ready to make this delicious drink? It's so easy. You'll have it down in no time. First things first, let's get our ingredients and tools ready. You don't need any fancy bar equipment. A nice glass, a spoon for stirring, your 3 amazing ingredients. I like to use a pretty glass because it makes the whole experience feel more special. A wine glass, a highball glass, whatever makes you feel good. Here we go. Step 1. Take your beautiful glass and pour in about a half a cup, that's 4 ounces, of your 100% pure tart cherry juice. Watch that gorgeous, rich color fill the bottom of the glass. This is the foundation of our mocktail, packed with all that natural melatonin and anti-inflammatory goodness we talked about. Just pouring it feels like you're doing something good for yourself. It's the first step in signaling to your body that the day is winding down. Step 2 is to add our relaxation mineral. Take 1 scoop of your magnesium glycinate powder and add it directly to the tart cherry juice. Now grab your spoon and give it a good stir. You'll see it fizz a little bit, and the juice might get a little cloudy, which is totally normal. Keep stirring for about 30 seconds. This ensures that every sip is infused with that calming magnesium. And now for the grand finale, step 3. It's time for the fizz. Take your sparkling water or prebiotic soda and top off your glass. You can add as much or as little as you like, depending on how strong or how bubbly you want your mocktail to be. I usually add about another half a cup, 4 ounces. Give it one last gentle stir to combine everything. You can even add a few ice cubes if you like it extra cold. or garnish it with a fresh or frozen cherry to make it look extra fancy. And there you have it. Your very own Sleepy Girl mocktail is ready to enjoy. How easy was that? Now that you've made this gorgeous drink, let's talk about the perfect time to enjoy it. Timing is everything. When to sip your sleepy drink. So you've mixed up this gorgeous, bubbly, ruby red mocktail. Now what? You might be tempted to drink it right as you're climbing into bed, but hold on a second. The timing of when you enjoy your Sleepy Girl mocktail is actually pretty important to get the most out of it. You want to give those amazing ingredients enough time to work their magic on your system. Think of it as giving your body a heads up that sleep is on the horizon. It's not an instant off switch. It's more like a gentle, gradual dimming of the lights. The sweet spot for most people is to drink it about an hour to an hour and a half before you plan to actually turn off the lights and go to sleep. This gives the melatonin from the tart cherry juice time to start signaling to your brain that it's nighttime. It also allows the magnesium to begin its work of calming your nervous system and relaxing your muscles. If you drink it too early in the evening, you might start feeling sleepy before you're ready for bed. And if you drink it too late, you might not feel the full effects until you're already trying to fall asleep. Use this hour as your dedicated wind-down time. This is a crucial part of the ritual. Don't just chug your mocktail while you're still finishing up work emails or scrolling through stressful news on your phone. That's like trying to put out a fire while someone else is still squirting lighter fluid on it. Instead, make sipping your mocktail the official start of your tech-free relaxation period. Find a comfy spot, put on some soft music, pick up a book, do some gentle stretching. Let the act of slowly sipping the drink be a mindful experience. Pay attention to the taste and the fizziness. Enjoy the feeling of doing something nourishing for your body. This ritual is about more than just the ingredients in the glass. It's about the entire experience you create around it. By pairing the drink with other relaxing activities, you're creating powerful sleep cues for your brain. Over time, your brain will start to associate the taste and experience of the mocktail with becoming calm and sleepy. It becomes a conditioned response, making your journey to dreamland smoother each night. So there you have it, the Sleepy Girl mocktail and a whole routine to go with it. It's a simple, delicious, and natural way to invite better sleep into your life. People are loving this trend because it's empowering. It puts the control back in your hands. Instead of feeling helpless against a racing mind at night, you have a proactive, positive ritual to turn to. It's a form of self-care that feels like a treat, not a task. The combination of the science-backed ingredients and the comforting ritual is what makes it so special and effective for so many. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest things can make the biggest impact on our well-being. Now, as with anything you add to your routine, it's good to be smart about it. While tart cherry juice is generally safe for most people, remember that it is a fruit juice and contains natural sugars. The most important thing to be aware of is the magnesium. It's a wonderful supplement, but it's not for everyone. People with kidney problems, heart conditions, or certain other medical issues should definitely talk to their doctor before taking magnesium. It can also interact with some medications like antibiotics and diuretics, so a quick chat with your doctor or pharmacist is always a good idea. Also, remember to start slow with the magnesium. The recommended dose is a great starting point, but everyone's body is different, and listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to stop. This is a gentle tool, not a magic bullet, and it works best as part of a holistic approach to sleep. I encourage you all to give this a try. Mix up a glass, create your own little wind-down wonderland, and see how you feel. It might just be the thing you need to finally say goodbye to restless nights. And hello to waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to cook up a storm. Taking care of yourself is the most important ingredient in a happy life, and getting good sleep is a huge part of that. So here's to cozy evenings, peaceful nights, and sweet dreams. You deserve it. Now go get some rest.